Shoutout sa mga Mars at Parts mo fresh! Welcome back to my channel! Ayan guys, so for today's video is i-share ko sa inyo ang bagong pakulo ng Hala App. Ayun. Guys, so ang masasabi ko sa Hala is isa sa mga pinaka the best ko na app na na-try so far. Kasi imagine mo, halos almost 5 months ago ko na siya binlog. Pero hanggang ngayon, trending na trending ang app na to. So, bakit siya trending? Kasi nga guys, audio streaming lang siya. No need ka na mag-live. Audio, tambay ka lang dyan, pa-oras ka lang dyan. May makukuha ka ng rewards. Okay, so at saka legit na legit ang app na to guys. Di ba may nilabas na sa yung mga apps na illegal. Okay, so no worries sa Hala app guys. So dito guys is may bagos lang ni-launch. Ito ay ang Talented Voice Star. Okay. So guys, mag-end ang audition dito ngayong September 9 na. Okay, so all you need to do here is showcase your talents. Okay. So ang benefits dito is meron silang makukuhang rewards or points hourly. Okay. So 5,000 points per hour up to 100,000 points per hour A to SSS level. Okay, so application types, ito yung mga hinahanap sa app na to. Talk show host, singing host, and gaming host. Okay, so isa-isahin natin to guys. So dito sa talk show host, okay, so talk show host, when we say talk show host is dapat witty ka, funny ka, or may pa-humor ka dyan para matuwa sa inyo yung mga audience ninyo guys. So sa talk show host, witty, humorous, and eloquent, conquer the audience with your words. And then, sa singing host naman is heavenly voice. Heavenly voice, emotional delivery, and heal the night with music. Okay, so sa singing host guys is sinasabi nga heavenly. Dapat na maganda boses mo. Kung pwede, makamalamuayra. Pero okay naman, as long as kumakanta ka, pwede kang mag-audition dito guys. So, ang third naman na hinahanap nila is gaming host. Okay? So, sa gaming host is hardcore skills, passionate gameplay with fans and expertise. Okay? So, sa gaming host guys is mostly kinikater na dito yung mga nandito rin na mga pag-games sa Hala. Okay? So, i-check natin yung pag-games ng Hala dito guys. Maraming pag-games dito. Ang dami nilang mga, at saka yung mga lucky na dito is, lucky gifts is maputok. Ayan. Ito yung mga ito yung mga pag-games nila guys. O diba, ang dami-dami. So meron ditong Ocean Hunt, Royal Battle, Fruit Party, Fishing Star, Ludo, Chicken Road, Lucky Fruits, DJ Live, Pyramid Slots, Dragon Ball, Minus Fortune Magic Slot, Sphinx Legend, Lucky 77 Pro, Teen Patty, Greedy King, Crash, Lava Slot, 1000 Nights, Olympus, Sweet Bonanza Dice, and Greedy Beast, and Greedy Forest. Oh my gosh, ang dami-daming games ng app na to. Okay, so as always, yung pinaka-favorite ko na game is yung baril-barilo ng isda. Ayan guys, okay, so let's proceed na. So all you need to do here is mag-upload ka ng, wait lang, check na natin. So depende sa kaya mong i-showcase yung talent ko dito ha. Pili ka lang doon sa sa talk show host, sa singing host, or sa gaming host. Okay. So isa-isahin ko yung ito guys, kung paano nyo gagawin yung audition dito sa tatlong pinapa-audition dito sa Hala App. Okay guys, ayan. So isa-isahin natin dito yung mga gagawin ng mga mag-audition sa Hala App. Okay? So guys, video requirements, video duration is 3 to 4 minutes in total. Video quality is you should have a clear voice and video, a short video as your TikTok or YouTube one. Okay, part 1, self-introduction, 1 minute. Okay, so for example, hi, it's me, Hansi from the Viva Agency, and I've been a live streamer for almost 7 years now, and like that, mahala ka na kung anong sasabihin mo. Sample lang yan, guys, ha? Okay, so andito yung sample. I'm applying to be a talk show host or gaming host or singing host. So, di ba, tatlo yung nahanap na dito? Or star host, because I'm naturally humorous and love bringing joy to everyone. Ayan, guys, ha? Ito yung unang gagawin ninyo. Self-introduction, 1 minute yan. Okay, so part 2 is talent showcase. Okay, talent showcase naman is 2 to 3 minutes yung gagawin mo na audition video sa talk show host. Okay, prepare an original humorous talk show stand-up comedy segment. Oy, you can share a funny story, a unique take on a trending topic, or a mini debate. Okay guys, so kagaya ng mga nangyayari ngayon, di ba? Yung mga nepo babies, di ba? Nagawa na ng parody. Pwede mo rin i-share yan as talk show host sa Hala Up, guys. And lastly, ang singing host. Okay, so sing a song a cappella or with accompaniment, recommended to showcase vocal range and emotional expression. Okay, so what you should focus is demonstrate your vocal tone, pitch, breath control, and emotional delivery. Oh my gosh, walang naiisip nyo siguro na, mahirap siguro yan. Okay, so dito guys is as a singing host is dapat talaga i-deliver mo maayos yung kanta. Kung ano yung lyrics is yun yung ipapafeel mo sa inyong mga audience, guys. Ayan. Sa gaming host naman is record a clip of your live game commentary, a screen recording, or upper body shot. Okay? So yung sa gaming host, ha, content can include sharing pro tips for a Hala game or building new players. Okay? So what you should focus is showcase your deep understanding of the game, language organization skills, and passionate commentary style. Sabing English yarn. Ayan guys, so pili kayo sa tatlong to kung saan kayo swak or saan nababahaga yung mga talents niyo, guys. Kung feel mo talk show host ka, dito ka sa talk show host. Kung feel mo naman singing host, dito ka sa singing host. And lastly, if wala kang talent sa singing or sa talk show, is baka may talent ka sa gaming. O dito ka na mag-audition sa gaming host. Okay? Submission method. Step 1, upload the video to your social apps. Generate a link of it. Okay? So if you have TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook, or whatever, Instagram, or anong social media na meron ka, i-upload mo doon and i-generate mo ang link. Okay? Upload the video to your social apps, generate a link of it, and step 2, copy that link and paste on Hala application entrance of this page. Okay, so doon mo i-upload sa mga social media mo, and then copy that link and paste on Hala application entrance of this page. Okay, so if your initial application is successful, all official notifications will be sent to your email address on September 10th. Please check your inbox carefully and stay vigilant against potential scams. Ayan guys. Okay, so ang haba-haba ng pa-inbox dyan. Hope na intindihan niyo. Okay, so any information about ito is i-share ko dito sa video na ito, guys. that's all for today, guys. Hope marami kayong natutunan. At kung gusto nyo namang maging member ko or maging agent dito is ilalagay ko yung link sa baba. Para mas tuloy ako sa kabasa ng English. Okay, so ito yung aking agency code. Ayan. Okay. So guys, ang ganda-ganda ng Hala app. Pinaka-first favorite app ko is Coco Live. Second is Hala app, guys. Kasi nga, mas ano siya dito, mas lang. Tambay ko lang dyan, okay? So that's all for today. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And isend mo sa aking Facebook na Diva Agency PH para may chance kung manalo 100 pesos na Gcash. At ilalagay ko na dito yung ating panalo sa aking last video. Ayan. Thank you for watching.